Hey everybody, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and more. I hope that you all are having a wonderful weekend. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. If you are already chat family with me, welcome back. You all, this is just a quick video to give you all some channel updates and let you know what is going on with the channel. I am actually in the process of revamping the content on this channel. So I will be kind of moving some things around, changing out some thumbnails, changing out the keywords, and just trying to be a little bit more strategic in the way the algorithm is distributing and sharing out my content. So I am going to be niching down quite a bit. You guys will start to notice it is going to be more content centered around hair, beauty, skincare, self-care, wellness. Of course, I'll continue to do collabs. I will continue to do motivational posts. I will continue to shout out and put the shine on my members, as well as offering my members only content. However, because when I started this channel and I was very new to social media as far as from a content creator standpoint, I kind of have some of everything that I've been involved with on this channel. And so I'm going to be just trying to clean things up a bit. And so periodically you guys will see some polls from me in the next couple of weeks. Please answer those polls. Please, please, please offer up your feedback. I want to be mindful of my audience and take those things into consideration as I go through this revamp process. So just giving you guys a quick update and also letting you know that I'm also working on a new and improved schedule that I will be posting on my community tab, and I'm hoping to have that up within the next week or so, because it's going to be about consistency in 2022. I want you guys to know exactly what I'm offering over here on this channel and when you can expect to see it. Okay, so a schedule is definitely coming. It is necessary. Also, you guys are going to see more emphasis being put on my second channel because I am trying to grow that channel. So a lot of the content that does not fit into the niche that belongs on this channel will go over on that channel. And that is going to be that is pretty much my Simply Pandi channel. That is going to be more of my motivational channel. You'll see daily devotionals over there, my cooking videos, my vlogs, and my lifestyle content. And when I say lifestyle, I mean like my business content, and stuff like that. So my business endeavors. Over here on this main channel, it will be mostly product reviews, my hair tips, makeup and skincare, and just different things like that. Now, I will continue to hold my live streams. I believe my live streams are going to remain on Fridays at 7 p.m., whether that be a drop the link live stream, a pop up and chill with me live stream, a trending topics live stream, whatever the case may be. But that's going to be my day and time, because I am not crazy enough to change that when the algorithm expects me to be live on Fridays at 7 p.m. That's when I've been live for the past few years. I'm also planning on adding an additional day to that, and I'm thinking that that's going to be Sundays, since I'm usually off on the weekends. I'm also going to be dropping uploads 3 times a week. That right now I'm expecting to be Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. But you guys, just giving you a heads up so you can know what's going on, because you're going to kind of see me fall back, but then you're going to kind of see me here making some changes. So that is it, guys. That is all. I just wanted to pop on and let you know what's up. Please, if you have any questions, concerns, or have feedback that you'd like to offer, drop down in the comments and let me know what's on your mind. You guys know I always enjoy hearing from you. Until next time, guys, stay safe, Stay encouraged, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.